Today on the Practical Magic of Frugal Living, we are going to be comparing the Brita water filter to the Zero water filter. I've chosen these two models because I have both of them, and I'm very interested in knowing which one is better and does a better job of filtering out toxins and contaminants and taste. I'm also going to throw in a little test on my tap water. Now, why filter water, you may ask? Well, if you don't filter your water, you are a water filter. In terms of chlorine and lead removal, the Brita and Zero water both do a comparable job at, around 99%. But Zero does an absolutely fabulous job with fluoride, taking out 99%, whereas Brita only takes out 21%. And I'm going to put a link here to the full data. Zero just kicks Brita ass. So now I'm going to take a total dissolved solid meter and see how much is in each sample. The Brita is at 13 parts per million. The Zero water filter is at 0 parts per million, and both of these filters are 2 months old. I put them in at the same time. And my Seattle tap water is at 33 parts per million. So total dissolved solids aren't necessarily toxic, but they usually don't taste very good. And sometimes they can have toxins and contaminants like fluoride. So, in my opinion, due to the facts, the Zero water filter is superior. Ching ching. So the question is it worth it? For those of us who are frugal minded and are always trying to save some money, is it worth it to spend money on water filtration? Well, I believe an investment in your health is critical because your health is priceless. And both of these run between $26 and $28. And I think that's, reasonable. So yes, this investment in a water filtration system is worth it. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel, The Practical Magic of Frugal Living. Goodbye.